Hi, this is Drew from Druz Tools. We're from Lawrence, Kansas. I've been chasing hail for 30 years. I started selling tools professionally about 10 years ago. And this is our newest slide hammer. It's carbon fiber. It's got a long slide compared to our original, which is a short slider. But this one here goes from 1 pound, and as you add weights, you can change it for the door den guys out there that like a longer slide and a heavier weight. This actually comes with 4 different weights, and you can see that they thread on both ends, and so you can do multiple different weights. But with both of the largest weights together, this slide hammer is 5.5 pounds. It's very smooth. It's got a carbon shaft, and it has a steel rod underneath it, so it is sleeved with carbon, so it won't shatter. And it's a really nice slide hammer. When this goes live on the website, you'll be able to buy this slide hammer without any weights, or you'll be able to pick and choose the 4 weights that are shown today. Plus, there'll be an additional 2 weights. So the weights will be an a la carte, or you can buy it as a package with all of them together. The final price hasn't been set on this, but you'll be able to find it at druztools.com. And you can check this out on our Instagram. And we appreciate you, Chris, for putting us on your YouTube channel and showing everybody our brand new products. Check us out. Thank you very much.